Welcome, my wonderful friend David. Oh, it is such a beautiful day to dive into the magic of the English language with you.
Oh, Emily, thank you. I have been waiting for this lesson all morning. I feel so ready to learn, but I must admit, I am a little bit nervous about today's topic.
Nervous? Oh, darling, don't be. Today, we are exploring the most versatile, the most flexible, and the most generous word in the entire English world. We are talking about the word get.
Get. It sounds so small and simple, but I hear it everywhere. It is in every movie, every song, and every conversation. It's like a secret key that opens every door, isn't it?
That is a stunning way to put it. It is a Swiss Army knife word. It can do almost anything. Imagine, David, that get is a shapeshifter. Sometimes it means to buy, and sometimes it means to become.
Oh, like when I say I need to get a new book? In that case, I am saying I want to buy it or obtain it, right?
Exactly. You've got it. You are already doing it. When you get a coffee or get a gift for a friend, you are bringing something new into your life. It is the language of receiving.
That makes so much sense. But Emily, I heard someone say yesterday, it is getting dark. The sun wasn't a gift. What does it mean there?
Oh, I love that you noticed that. In that moment, get means to become. It describes a change, a beautiful transformation. The sky was light, and then it got dark.
So if I am tired after work, I can say I am getting tired. I am moving from being energetic to being sleepy.
Yes, precisely. You are describing the journey of your feelings. Can you imagine how much more natural you sound when you use get instead of become? It makes your English feel warm and cozy.
Reflectively, it feels more like a bridge. It connects how I felt before to how I feel now. I got angry, I am getting better, she got happy. It is so expressive.
You are a natural poet, David. But wait, there is another secret power that get possesses. It can also move you through space.
Through space? Do you mean like traveling?
Yes. Think about your journey home. Instead of saying, I arrived at my house, which sounds a bit formal, you can say, I got home at 6 o'clock.
Oh, I got to the station or I got to the party. It replaces arrive. That makes speaking feel so much faster and more fluid.
You are absolutely brilliant. And there's one more very special way we use it. When I explain something to you and you finally understand the idea, what do you say?
Excitedly, I say, I get it. Oh my goodness, I get it means I understand it. The idea has moved into my mind.
Tearfully happy. Yes, it's like a click in your heart. When you get a joke or get a lesson, you are connecting with another person's thoughts. Isn't that just incredible?
Gratifyingly, it really is. It's not just a word, it's a way to connect. Emily, I feel like a weight has been lifted. I used to be afraid of using get because it had too many meanings, but now I see it as a friend.
Encouragingly, never be afraid to play with it, David. Even if you make a mistake, get is a very forgiving word. It wants to help you speak. With determination, I am going to practice this all day. I am getting more confident with every word we speak. With a grand, sweeping gesture, my heart is just bursting with pride. You have mastered the Swiss Army knife of English today. You are not just learning, you are thriving.
Warmly, thank you, Emily. Your energy makes me feel like I can get to any level of English I dream of.
And you will, David. You truly will. Now go out there, get some fresh air, and get talking. You are doing an amazing job. Oh, hello there, David. My heart is just glowing today because we are about to explore one of the most magical, most flexible words in the entire English language. Are you ready to dive in?
Hello, Emily. I can feel your energy, and it is wonderful. I have been waiting all week for this. I see this little word everywhere, and it honestly feels like a puzzle I am so close to solving.
That is the perfect way to describe it. The word is get. It is the great shapeshifter. It is like a Swiss Army knife that you can carry in your pocket to use for almost anything.
A shapeshifter. I love that. I often hear people say things like, I need to get some water, or I got a new book. Is it always about buying things?
Oh, what a brilliant observation. Yes, get often means to buy or to obtain something. But think about the feeling, David. When you get a gift or you get a cup of coffee, something is moving toward you. It is coming into your life. Oh, that is just incredible. So it is about the movement of an object to a person. Warmly. Exactly. But wait, there is more. Can you imagine? Get also describes how we change. When the sun goes down, it gets dark. When you work out at the gym, you get tired. Do you see the pattern? Gasping with joy. Oh, I see it. It is not just about objects. It is about a change in how we feel or how the world looks. It is like the word itself is moving and growing with us. With dramatic emphasis. Yes, you are getting it, David. You are literally becoming more knowledgeable right now. You are getting smarter with every breath you take. I love that. I am getting smarter. It feels so much more active and alive than just saying I am becoming smart. Softly and warmly. It really does. It is so much more personal. And David, that reminds me of another way we use it. Think about your journey home. We use get to mean arrive. So instead of saying, what time do you arrive at the station? I can say, what time do you get to the station? With a proud nod. Precisely. It makes your English sound so natural, so warm, and so fluid. It connects the start of your journey to the very end. Thoughtfully. This word is everywhere. It's like a bridge between different ideas. But Emily, what about when people say, I get it? Is that about arriving too? With great passion. Oh, David, that is my favorite one of all. When you say, I get it, you are saying that the idea has arrived in your mind. The light bulb has turned on. You understand. With heartfelt emotion. The idea has arrived in my mind. That is so beautiful. I feel like I am finally getting the hang of this word. Did I use it correctly just then? Exuberantly. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Getting the hang of something means you are starting to understand a new skill. You are blooming, David. You are absolutely blooming. Gratefully. Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement makes me feel like I can get through any difficult lesson. With a deep sigh of happiness. And there you go again. Get through. To endure. To finish. To succeed. You see? This one little word carries the weight of so many human experiences. With finality and heat. I am so inspired. This isn't just a grammar lesson. It is a lesson in how to express my life. I am going to go out and get some practice right now. Warmly and softly. Go forth and get it, David. I am so, so proud of you. Your journey is just beginning, and it is going to be spectacular.